Hi everyone, Vincenzo here. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play one of the most iconic theme tunes ever, the Darth Vader theme, also known as the Imperial March. If you are a beginner, chances are that you've been focusing mostly on playing chords. However, the ukulele is an instrument that allows you to play beautiful melodies and captivating riffs. So, for today's video, I want to show you how easy it is to play this cool little melody that can be considered a piece of the history of cinema. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate your help. Now, I'm going to play the melody real slow. Try to follow the tab on the screen. 3, 4. Now, let's break it down. Let's start with the first part. 5, 5, 5, 5, 8, 5, 5, 8, 5. Even slower. 5, 5, 5, 5, 8, 5, 5, 8, 5. Now, let's try and play together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, some extra tips for you. To play fret number 5, I'm using my index finger. And to play fret number 8, I'm using my pinky. This way, we avoid making any movement that is not necessary. Also, when I'm pressing fret number 8, all my fingers are on the fretboard like this. That's very helpful. Now, let's move on to the second part of this melody. It is a little bit trickier, but I'm sure you'll do it well. 3, 4, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 4, 5, 8, 5. Even slower. 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 4, 5, 8, 5. Now, let's play together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. I use the ring finger to play fret number 7, and then the pinky to play fret number 8, then again fret number 8 with the pinky, the index for fret number 4, so we have a little bit of a stretch over here, but nothing major, and then it's the same as before. As this is a very simple melody, we don't need to get our right hand in fingerstyle mode. I'm using my thumb to pluck the strings. You could use that, your index finger, or a combination of both. Now, let's put everything together. 3, 4. Second part. Again. Second part. Okay, try to play with me, real slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second part. From the beginning. Again, second part. For now, I've been plucking every single note in order not to confuse you. We can make this melody sound better if we add some cool techniques like hammer on, pull off, slides, or a combination of them. So let me show you an example. By the way, if you would like to learn more about hammer-ons, check my video out. 3, 4, slide, pull off, hammer on, pull off. So a little bit slower. Slide, pull off, hammer on, pull off. You should work on making the notes you play sound nice and clear. Remember to learn in small chunks and to practice with a metronome. The tempo of the song is 108 BPM. Start slower and work towards this tempo. That's all for now. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. For a free lesson with me, check the link in the description. Thank you for watching and may the force be with you. Ciao!